Alright. Yeah. See it where you see it.
Hakuna Matata.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shatati Katanga. Subiri mudenga rechinongwe. Learning how to fly. Hey, yo, way.
Alright.
This is our time to fly.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, way.
Alright.
This is our time to ride. Hey, yo, way.
Alright.
This is our time to shine.
Push the limit and the toilet up. Man, I own that. Each sitting on a chair, switching on those lights. It's like tech, like holding a mic. Despite to the fact that I got my drink up. That's how we're gonna do for the night. Dedicated ain't oysters or gangsters. Yeah, been rapping while yo was slipping in them cot bears. Tell them boys to step aside for a while, please. Flow so precious like your girlfriend. Old news. Energizer flows, and I'm with the Tiger Rose. Strong, I'm rap. I rock like Einstein. I'm in the zone like a secondary. I'm a killer on the beat and you know that. I'm a boy with a ball, gotta score that. When they do a night out with a night out, cause it's been a little while since I kill yo. Trapped up like a new rapper, big up blonde like old rappers for how many words did I put on through? I think Carlos, my verses. Got another song running in the background song. I think Carlos, my senses, my tenses on chest yo. So this kid are gonna beat like Joe Krish.
Hakuna Matata.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shatati Katanga.
Yeah.
Subiri mudenga rechinongwe. Learning how to fly.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, way.
Alright.
This is our time to
That's what I'm
fly.
talking about.
Hey, yo, way.
Alright.
This is our time to ride. Hey, yo, way.
Yeah.
This is our time to shine.
Shining all the time,
Yeah.
rolling like a gin,
Tell 'em.
blinging like a star. Time to make money, we're putting on Versace. Living high class, fast class, fancy cars, yeah. Living like Minaj. I'm dropping this dead like
Yeah.
I'm dropping down bomb. But I know you haters wanna have me now. You come with the bullet, I am prepared with the but I gotta see it for like before. Pack that in my back.
Yeah.
I see them running when we come, I see them talking when we speed, I see them falling when we rise, I see them crawling when we rap. For 10 years now we've been a speeding now underground, lay low underground, two kings
Underground.
the seniors on the sets, royal sets, two kings on the sets, royal sets, more moolah taking over.
Hakuna Matata. Shatati Katanga. Subiri mudenga rechinongwe.
Yeah.
Learning how to fly.
Top, right?
Hey, yo, way.
Alright.
This is our time to fly. Hey, yo, way. This is our time to ride. Take it easy or I'll run you over. One more step, dog, and it's game over. I'll be crowned the queen, carrying all the green, leaving you looking like Mr. Bean. No, I'm not so mean.
Tell 'em,
It's
girl.
just I'm rising, just me and my cat. No niggas drooling.
Yeah.
It's my time to shine, my time to rise, my time to fly. Hakuna Matata.